Hello guys, so today we are going to study about JS object methods, JS object display and JS object constructors. Okay, so what I am going to do is let me introduce JavaScript object methods. So what is the methods? Object methods are actions that can perform on objects. Okay, a methods is a function definition stored as a property value. So property and value, when I assign a value like uh, a property first name. So first name is a property and what is the value? What is my first name, like Ajay? Okay, so Ajay is value. So this kind of thing when we apply in the object method, then we can then function definition stored as a property value. Okay, so now with the example we are going to understand how it works. Okay, so you can see here constant equals to person. Okay, so in person, this is the object, it's assigned. So first of all, first name, last name, id is okay. And for the full name, it defines a function. Okay, full name, for the full name, uh, it defines function, and in the function we put the function and return this first name and return this last name. Okay, so what we are going to do is, let's start with the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here it is, and you can see this is the we were yesterday, and now in script we are going to start. First of all, I have to define person. Person is equals to what? It's an object, yeah. So when it's an object, so yeah, this is common example, I think. So last name also, and age, yeah, here, age age is for, just guess, 28, yeah. So after that, if I'll want full name together, then what I have to do is full name, and now I will create a function, and in function what I have to do is, yeah, return this first name, last name, yeah. So for that, yeah, it's like this, and this is here, this means person. Here this means person. So from the person dot first name, it will return here. From the person, the last name, dot will be written here. So what I'm going to do is, I'll go outside of these assigned function, the assigned object, and I will get element by id, and from demo you know very well, and okay, dot inner html is equals to what? Now I want only full name, yeah, full name. So here it is. When I save it, and when I'll go to live, and you'll see here nothing. Why here nothing? Because full name is a function. So what I have to do is like this. When I'll go like this, oh, again it's showing nothing. So this is showing nothing just because of I put it full name here. What I have to do is person dot full name, yeah, and like this if I'll do, you can see return this and like that. Because of this is function, so I have to create this one also, and now you can see John Doe. Yeah. So because this full name is a function, so you have to show them that it's a function. Yeah, otherwise you can't access this one. So let's move forward. In the example about this refers to person object, I explained already. This dot first name means the first name property of the person. This dot last name means the last name property of person. Okay. So accessing object methods. Yeah, what is that? You access an object method with the following syntax. Okay, when object name dot method name. So this was, we already did it, and name dot name equals to person dot full name. Yeah, so if you access full name property without, it will return function definition only. So this was already, we did, we got this one, function definition. Okay, so what are we, okay, now adding a method to an object. Okay, so person dot name equals to function written like this. So adding a new method to an object is easy. Okay, so okay, how it adds. Okay, last name id, add method person dot name equals to this one, and when in HTML my father is person dot name is John Doe. Okay, so how it's showing this one, this is just person we can add this one also. So this is the object we assigned before, variable. Okay, object variable, and after this one, when we add person dot name equals to like this, and we will use this function here directly, and it will show like this. Okay, so this is so easy, there's nothing like that, nothing to practice, I think. So the another thing is to uppercase method to convert text to uppercase. Okay, yeah, this is the good thing I can use here maybe. And as we know, uh, we used this one as, okay, I think like this, and dot upper. So how we can use it, to uppercase. Yeah, to uppercase, you can see here. And when I will save this one, you'll see. Okay, what I have to do is, yeah, okay, I have to put a bracket also, otherwise it will return something else, and that's the thing. Uppercase. Okay, not working. Why it's not working? I'm using the same thing. To uppercase, and because it's function, so that's the thing only. Okay, John Doe, you can see here. Okay, so next is complete object reference. Okay, so next is object display. Yeah, so JavaScript display object is like object will output object. So what I have to do is, if I'll just write here person, you'll get object only. Yeah, but displaying the object property by name, displaying the object property in a loop, and displaying the object using object dot values, and displaying the object using JSON dot stringify. So it's up to us but we'll practice all. So this is the object, and we can see here person dot name, person dot age, and person dot city. This is showing like this. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do practice about this, and we have already assigned project assigned object already we have. And what I'm going to do is person dot first name, obviously, and when I do plus comma, and when I do plus again, and person dot last name, and when I'll go here, and person dot age, absolutely. So when I'll save this one, and you'll get this one, John Doyen 28. So this is how we can assign, we can display as a string, and displaying properties in loop. Okay, displaying properties in loop is like you can use for loop. Okay, let x in person, and let text equals to 0. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'll define a text value is nothing, and let x in person. Okay, so in person, then text plus text will be added like this, person x. Okay, so and again add, when it will go here, x will be added, and like this. Okay, happen. So what I'm going to do is okay, yeah, so yeah, so this is the object we already defined. Yeah, this is the object we already defined. Here I'm going to do is okay, here I'll define something else, and let me constant text equals to nothing, and for let x in person. This is how we can define a loop in for loop. Okay, and what I have to do is text plus equals to x, what I have to do is text plus equals to what, person here, and plus, yeah, and that's it. And here I will define text. Yeah, when I'll save this, you'll get nothing. Why? Because of this is not running. Here you have to you have to run. Here you have to create the another thing, which is same here. text in person. So what I have to do is I did the same. Yeah, I did the same, but it's not showing anything. So what I did some mistake. I think first name, last name, age equals to okay, constant for let text in person, text plus person. Okay. Uh, okay. I think this one is okay. And after this one, I think I have to use one more thing. This is not working. Okay. Later on we'll see this. Okay.